Hey, this is Kona Man Studios with Kona Cooks. I marinated these fillets in some teriyaki and Italian dressing. They're really tender as it is. Get a nice grill mark. That's actually more of the sauce caramelizing on the grill lines. For the family tonight. So there's a lot of creativity you can do with beef and chicken and stuff. It works on chicken awesome. The longer you can let it sit with chicken, it's awesome. But beef is awesome too. So funny, it looks so pink on the camera when I see it here, and it ain't pink at all over here. Could be just the way the light's hitting it or how the camera picks it up. Well, I thought I'd share this Cooking with Kona a bit, and you guys take care.